right, what do we have here? When I backed off the nut, take a look at this. Let's see if I can zoom in. You see that the flared end of the copper is actually smaller than the flare on the fitting. That's a no-no. You don't do that. Don't use the if there's factory flares. I hope somebody didn't make this flare. Sometimes there's factory flares, but if they made this flare, that's a pretty damn poor flare. At least it looks like there's gooey nylog on there. That was a good thing. Somebody knows to use nylog. But that's not a good flare. Alright, so that's another history lesson. That's from somebody's history of the way they made flare. That is too small. Okay. Doesn't look too even either. Alright.